Hi everyone, so I'm Rhea and I met Karthik sir right about 2 years ago for a creative writing workshop with DAWs. And man, those 15 days of workshopping, the most enriching experience I would have had at a workshop. And Karthik sir being the coolest mentor ever, one that one would love to have him with his unconventional ways of teaching. He would make sure that everyone, like each and every person sitting in class, would have fun. Even on the days when he wasn't feeling the best of himself, he would make sure that it wouldn't influence the mood of the class. And it was just so much fun because he allowed us to be, the best versions of ourselves. And we'd have these really passionate discussions about movies, about books, about articles, and like topics that weren't also the talk of the town. We talk about them as well. And the best part about those workshops with him specifically was that he never insisted on changing the way we thought or we wrote. He made sure that we learn how to embrace our style of writing because everybody has a very unique style of writing. And he taught me how important it is to write what you believe in. Truth be told, I was a person who was never very confident with my write-ups. Like, I was never confident with how I wrote and what I wrote. And he got that confidence in me. And now I love to see, and I truly believe that whatever I write, maybe it may be like a very short poem, or it may be an article on how patriarchal the society gets every day. Everything that I write has a grain of Karthik Bajoria in it. Everything. And so you mean the world to me. You've been through a lot, and I wish the best for you.